Yeah. So in that previous session, what you observed, we wrote a certain program in for LED interfacing, and after that we did execution, that is simulation by using Proteus. Okay. So now I want to continue that thing. So exactly what we did. Once again, I will repeat because maximum people are unable to understand. So because it is a new technology. So I don't want to use that previous one. So once again, I will no. Okay. So once again, you observe. So this is repetition only. So previous one, but fastly I will repeat. Now click on Proteus Professional and run as an administrator. Click on New Project. Okay, here I need to give the path. The path is nothing but my same path. It is not mandatory, but if you want, you can give. Please mute it. Please mute it, all of you. Okay, so here LED. Okay, INT LED interface. I'm giving the name. So after that, next I will up to finish. So everything is default because I don't want to do with the templates. So I am not using any templates here. So like this I got. So once I got like this, I will need to click on part. I need to select three different parts. One is cell. Okay, cell. So that cell I get it already. And one more thing I need to LPC2138. So that is only available with me. So that's why I will take LPC2138. Okay. Then one more part is required, that is nothing but LED. So just to select LED, active LED I want, that LED red or blue. Please, all of you mute. Okay. So now red LED. So this is, so three different things I have right now, three modules. So one module is just to drag and drop here, or otherwise you click on that part. So you can, so like this. So this is the part. So you can see the ports. So by zooming up operation you can do, this is a zoom. Okay, so these are the ports, what ports we have. So this is the schematic diagram, it will show like this. So here see P0.0 transmit 0 PWM also, it having PWM facility also. So this is pin number 19 in actual schedule, but here it is P0. Okay, P0.1, P0.2, P0 up to P0.31. Okay, P0.31 total pins are there. P0.30, P0.31. See here up to here. So after that, what you have? Port 1. So port 1 is nothing but, so here from here. See port 1, 31 completed. P1.16, P1.17, P1.18 like that up to P31. Okay, so these are the different ports what we have. I hope you understood. So for this, I need to connect a cell. So battery I want to connect. So this is. So what is the battery voltage right now? I have 5 volts, 1.5 volts battery right now. But what the operating voltage of ARM means 3.5. That's why I need to convert this thing into 3.5 volts. Okay. So done. Okay. So now we need to connect this battery to positive and VSS, all VSS to negative. So make sure all connections must and should you need to run. Okay, by using just to drag and drop as like multi-sim. It is nothing but a multi-sim tool. So NI only. So the organization is NI only for this tool only. So but you need to purchase this thing. So it is not free. What I given is nothing but it is a crack version. So it is a full version, but if you really want proprietary version, it is somewhat cost. Okay. Okay. So this thing I need to perform first. Once these are all connected to VCC and ground, you need to connect LED. So LED red. So where I need to connect, there is a certain clarity is required because already I wrote for a particular pin. What is that pin? Pin number 25. So pin number 25. So this is the pin number 25 of port 0. So directly connect. So go to here and ground. So ground, you need to take ground. So here all, so this is nothing but actual schematic capture. So if we go down, so there is a terminal modes are there. So terminal mode ground. So you find ground here. So just put here, done. So after completion of this thing, just go to, now we are doing burning operation. Burning, how to burn? Just click on this because in this system only it is there. So click on this. So LED blink is our X file. So open, that's it. So that is burning process completed. Now we need to select the frequency, appropriate frequency. You need to select 12 megahertz because previously in Keel we used 12 megahertz only. That's why I'm using 12 megahertz. That is optimum frequency. So now done, both are completed. So this is my entire circuit. Okay, I connected battery here, I connected LED here on pin number 25. So if you connect somewhere, it is not going to work. Okay, so if you want to connect somewhere, what you want to do, I will tell right now. Okay, once it is done, just click on execution. So that LED is blinking like that. Okay, so I'm zooming. So on pin number 25, the LED is blinking. So in proper manner. Okay, now here what is the problem is, so if I want to connect, some student already there is a message in WhatsApp, so that is nothing but if I want to connect for some other pin, already I explained, if I want to connect to some other pin, maybe pin number 14 you want to connect. Okay, pin number 14 you want to connect. So what do you want to do? Simply just to stop it. So connect to pin number 14, right click on this, delete the wire. So connect it to pin number 14. Okay, so this is the pin number 14. I hope, yeah, this is the pin number 14. So now here pin number 14, once it is done, so what do you want to do? So you need to change the code also. Code. In Keel, you need to change the code. So here everything is pin number 25 is given. So now I want to do pin number 14. Simple. 14. Done. So after completion of that thing, save and rebuild the target. Rebuild it. Then open once again that Proteus. Where is that? So here just to work with. Yes, this is working because I changed my code also. If you want to, okay, first you need to decide according to code you need to design, or according to your design you want to write your code. That is what you want to decide first. Okay, initially when you are starting your program, you need to decide in both cases. So first you design the circuit, then write the program according to your design, or first you write the program, according to that program you write this thing. So it is possible in both cases. Okay, done. I hope it is done. So the code I will send in a WhatsApp or somewhere. So no problem, you don't bother if you don't write. So now our task is we need to do next program. So but as like a fresh program I will do entire thing. So I close every window. So I don't want to change save or something. Okay, now what is our task? So we have actually 35 minutes. In this 35 minutes I want to tell how to program for a switch and LED. So by using this knowledge you need to do 8 switches and 8 LEDs. You need to do that program. So like that program, same copy paste thing is required for you. So, but I will give some program knowledge for that. Okay. Now, okay. Yes, and it's a small thing because to interface switch and LED, you need not any delay. So that's why its program size is somewhat less. So project, new project, switch and LED, SW and LED, SW and LED, so, or otherwise SW LED. So this is my program, my project name SW LED. Save. So once it is saved, you need to select same thing, NXP foundation, and go here, LPC 2148. Why I am repeating these number of times means because you are new. Okay, today you are new. So because maximum people don't have laptop and everything, that's why I'm repeating these many times. In our classroom, only one program we will tell, and you go to write. So some doubts are there. Some people have certain doubts. So we'll explain like that. So, but it is not possible. Okay. So this is the thing. Take a new file, save with .c extension. So switch and LED, W LED dot C. Okay, done. So this is a program. Okay, what is the program? So already you know what is meant by this thing. So this is nothing but to include the registers. So hash define S1. This is the must and should you need to know. So the definitions what you are writing here. So here I am writing certain comments. So to define switch 1 SW1 where I connected SW1 at port. I am not telling whether it is a 0 port or a port 1. So that's why pin directly I am pin 21. So 21 at pin number 21 I am selecting my switch, that is nothing but S1. Next int main void. So already you know what is meant by int main void. Now I am telling that IO direction. So input output direction 0xFF0000. So that means what? What is the meaning of that thing? So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the last MSB bits of your directory or register. So remaining all are zeros. So that means, so these all are zeros. So that means what? Up to 20, because this is 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. So from 24 to 31 are nothing but, yeah, pin number. So what it is explained? Simply 24 to pin number port 2. Which port I am using? Port 0, port 0, 24 to 31 are output. What I decided? So they are output. Next, same way, what I decided? Port 0, port 0.02 P 0.23 are input. So these are inputs, they are outputs. See, so that is the meaning. That is the meaning. What is this IO DIR mentioned? Pin numbers. What pin numbers? Port 0, 24 pin to 31 pin are output. We decided these are output. And port 0 to port pin number 23 up to pin number 23 are input pins. So that is what we decided. Now, so simple code. Code is simple. While one, if not equal to, what not equal to, not, if not అంటే ఏంటి సార్, if not, what is the meaning of if not, కాకపోతే, అది కాకపోతే. So if it is not, what is that not? IO pin 0. So previously IO pin 0 of and S1. So previously S1 is at set mode. Previously S1 is set mode. Maybe you assume previously S1 is set mode. So if it is not equal, so if it is 1, previously it is in set mode, now also it is set mode. So what happened? Automatically set and set and end operation, if you perform 1 కి 1 కి end operation చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 1 వస్తుంది. if not 1, ఒకవేళ 1 కాకపోతే ఈ పని చేయి, 1 కాకపోతే ఈ పని చేయి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? సెట్ 0 ఆఫ్ 25, దీన్ని వెలిగించు, ఎల్ఈడిని బ్లింక్ చేయి. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇఫ్ నాట్ S1 ప్రీవియస్ ఉన్న వాల్యూ కాకపోతే, ఆ వాల్యూ ఇంతకుముందు 1 ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు 0 అయింది అనుకో, ఆటోమేటిక్గా అంటే 1 వస్తే 2 1ని 1తో అండ్ చేస్తే 1 వస్తుంది. అంటే అది సెట్ అయి ఉంటేనేమో కీ ప్రెస్ చేస్తే 0, కీ ప్రెస్ చేయకపోతే 1 అనుకుందాం వచ్చేపు. సో అట్లా. సో ఒకవేళ నువ్వు హై ఇస్తే, ఆ పిన్ నెంబర్ మీద హై ఇస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా you need to set this thing. అది 1 కాకపోతేనేమో సెట్ చేయి, 0 అయితే ఆపే, అంతే. ఎల్స్ IO clear 25, అంతే, సింపుల్. దెర్ ఇస్ నో లాజిక్. ఓకే. సో మరి ఏం చేయాలి? మీరు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి సార్? ఇప్పుడు మీకు టాస్క్ ఇచ్చాను కదా నేను. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు చేయాల్సింది యాస్ డిఫైన్ S1 ఆఫ్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారు? యాస్ డిఫైన్ S2. దట్ ఈస్ మీకు ఉండాల్సిన తెలివి అది. S2, S3, S4, S5 అప్ టు S8 మొత్తం 8 డిఫైన్ చేస్తారు. సో ఆ డిఫైనేషన్లో ఏం చెప్తారు? డైరెక్ట్గా టు డిఫైన్ S1 ఎట్ పిన్ నెంబర్ 21, 22, 21 దగ్గర పెట్టం కదా మనం, 21 నుంచి కిందకి 20, 19, 18. సో అట్లా మీరు మొత్తం పిన్ నెంబర్స్ అన్ని ఇవ్వండి మీ స్విచ్చెస్ కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి. ఓకే. అప్ టు ఎన్ని పిన్లు కావాలి మనకి? 8 పిన్లు కదా, 8 పిన్లు కనెక్ట్ చేయండి. 8 switches, 8 switches. Okay, you need to connect 8 switches here. So like as define S1, so 20, S2 20, S3 19, S4. So like that you do up to 8 pins. Okay, now here the logic is same. So if S1, first you need to check about S1. So like this is about switch 1 and LED 1. So LED 1s are already defined. Where you need to connect all LEDs? These LEDs you need to connect on పిన్ నెంబర్ 24 నుంచి కనెక్ట్ చేసుకుందాం మనం. బెస్ట్ 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 8 LEDs 8 కనెక్ట్ అవుతాయి. సో ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ మై టాస్క్ ఈస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ బికాస్ ఐ వాంట్ టు వర్క్ విత్ ఓన్లీ 1 LED, 1 switch. So 1 LED is connected at pin number 25, 1 switch is connected at pin number 21. So I already defined up to pin number 23 are input, up to pin number 24 to 31 are outputs. Okay, this is my task. Okay, now just to save, already I saved it. So just to add the file to that thing. So LED blink, no, switch and LED, SW LED, add. So then I need to do, yeah, what happened? Error. Okay, so these comments I don't want right now. Okay, 0 errors and 1 warning is there. That is not problem for me. Okay, now what is that? Target. I need to make as a target. So if you want to see in this also it is possible. Debug and start evaluation code and run the code. So go to peripherals. What is that? GPIO fast interface port 1, port 0, not port 1, port 0. Okay. So here already pin number 25 I am using here. Pin number 21 is for the purpose of here. Pin number 23, 22, 21. So if I click this thing, automatically this is gone. See, if I click this thing, automatically pin number 25 is offered. This is the logic. Same logic what I applied. See, if I click on this, automatically this is opposite. If switch pressed, so then it is working. So if you want to change your code, that is your choice. So I don't want to tell that thing also. That is your choice. If you want to do L programming, you need to do different aspects. Okay, done. So debugging is also completed. Stop. Now options per target. So output, you need to create X file, and linker, you need to create use memory layout for the target, and okay, done. So once this is done, so just you need to rebuild the target. X file is created. Now once again you go to Proteus. That's it. So new project. So here I want to browse thing, and common ECAD. So select folder. So my thing is LED. No, SW and LED. So ఇదే ఇవ్వాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు, మీ ఇష్టం. సో done. Next, so all open. So now part, what part I want? LPC 213. Okay, so next, what I required? Push button is required. Push button. So active push button. Yes, okay, done. Next, one more thing is required, that is LED. Maybe green or anything. So blue or green. So green I will take. So next, battery cell. So cell is the cell. Yeah, this is cell. So done. So these are more enough. So first we need to put this, and after that I will take the cell. So put this. So after that I need to connect here, and I need to connect this thing to here, and the remaining parts I need to connect. So this thing here, 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 here. Actually, once you did, so you can copy and paste or save as also, it is possible. But for your purpose only, I am showing these many number of times this design. Okay, so done. So battery voltage you need to save as a 3.5 volts. Okay, done. Okay, next, this circuitry part is completed. Now I need to select pin number. Yeah, LED green. So I need to connect LED green on pin number 25. So rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Where is the pin number 25? 25. Pin number 25. So this is the pin number 25 for my LED. So just I need to connect here. So take the ground. So put here. So now this is done. Next, pin number 21. I need to connect with the switch. So okay, button 21. Where is 21? 21. Yes, 21. Yeah. Pin number 21. You need to connect pin number 21 here, and you need to connect with a certain thing called power. Power is required. Yes. Something it need to ground or something. Yeah. So done. So this is my thing. Circuitry is completed. Switch and LED are connected. Now I need to burn with program. What is program? SWLED. That is my program. And the 12 MHz I need to give. So okay, done. Program burning also completed. Now execute. What is the problem? So now already it is glowing. LED is glowing right now. So if I want to change the mode, yeah. See. If I click on this, LED is off. Same what I did. So LED interfacing done with the LED, switch and LED are interfaced with the LPC or ARM7. That's it, done. So it is worked. So if you want reverse operation, that is nothing but, so whenever it is when you click on this thing only it will work, otherwise it doesn't work also you can do. So simple, logic is simple. So you need to, if this thing I was set, so these two things you need to control C. So I will clear, control X, just I am changing the logic, that's it. Reverse operation, that is nothing but whenever you press the switch only the LED is going to glow. So once again you rebuild, so done. So stop this thing once again you start. So now button is not pressed, that's why LED is not glowing. So once you press the button automatically it will glow, that's it. According to your code your arm is working, so you are the master for your arm. So now my task is completed. So I worked so hard to tell this class, okay. So maybe you need to do lot of practice because a lot of opportunities are there in ARM, but you need to work with proprietary tools. So to do with proprietary tools in Windows it is not suitable. So go to Linux, Ubuntu or Fedora something. Okay. So maximum people are asking for that thing only. So this is a good lab, and if you got good experience on this ARM, so you have more opportunities. Okay, thank you. So thank you. My task is completed. Yeah, my task is completed. So if you have any doubts, you ask. Some chat is there. So what you sir? Okay, thank you. Okay. Thank you for participating. So around 93 members, 94 members are participated. So I will upload all these videos into YouTube also. I will give the links in Moodle. So I will ready Moodle. So because I need to ready, it will take 1.5 hours because I need to do entire course in Moodle. So after 2 or 3, so after 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock you try. So in Moodle you can upload your observation. So according to your observation uploads only I will do. Okay. So I will correct and I will give the marks. So same as like assignment, I will give experiment number 1 assignment. So like that I will give. So you just scan your observation, what you wrote, all these 5 experiments, the schematic diagram, schematic in the sense you need not to write all these things. So simply you draw one box. So in this LPC 2148, see here battery 3.5 and you connect VCC and VSS. So switch and LED on which pins you are connected according to your program you connect. So that thing only required for me. Okay, like that you connect and you write outputs according to your that 32 pin plan. So debug 32 pin plan already I showed you. So that thing you write and just send to me as a PDF. So every day, as like after completion of lab, how you are going to get sign. So like that. This is nothing but you are unable to give like that, show to me. So that's why you upload a PDF. That means I recognized that yes, okay, this girl did this thing. She completed her homework like that. Homework in the sense observation. So next lab, whenever you come to next lab, so at that instant, I will ask the people. So for whom I will ask, you need to give the code for 8 LEDs and 8 switches connected to ARM. So ఆ కోడ్ మీరు ఇవ్వాలి. సో అదే మీ ఈ వీక్ టాస్క్, ఓకేనా? మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను, అందులో జస్ట్ మాడిఫై చేస్తే చాలు. ఈ కోడ్లో జస్ట్ మాడిఫై చేయాలి. అందుకే మీకు పిన్ నెంబర్ 25, 24 to 31 అవుట్పుట్గా ఇచ్చా అండ్ పిన్ నెంబర్ 1 to 25 ఇన్పుట్గా ఇచ్చా. మీ ఇష్టం. ఈ కోడ్ని జస్ట్ మాడిఫై చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది. యూ నీడ్ టు డిఫైన్ 8 స్విచెస్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ దిస్ థింగ్, కాపీ 8 times. ఇదే కాపీ 8 times చేసి ఆ పిన్ నెంబర్స్ మార్చుకుంటే మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయిపోద్ది. బట్ అది మీరు చేయాలి, ఓకేనా? అది మీ టాస్క్. అదే మన ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇన్ అవర్ ల్యాబ్. నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ నుంచి ఒక్కొక్క ల్యాబ్ చేద్దాం. మీకు ఏం అర్థం కాకపోయినా చేయొచ్చు. ఒక్కొక్క ల్యాబ్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ వీల్ పర్ఫామ్ 3 labs ఎట్ ఏ టైం, 3 experiments. అది స్టెప్పర్ మోటార్ అండ్ ఎల్సిడి, ఈ 3 చెప్పేస్తా నెక్స్ట్ ల్యాబ్లో, ఓకేనా? సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు రైట్ రికార్డ్. సో రికార్డు వీల్ ప్లాన్, రికార్డు మంచిగా రాసుకొని పెట్టుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది అంతే, ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. దిస్ సెషన్ ఈజ్ ఎండెడ్. మళ్ళీ నేను నెక్స్ట్ టైం క్లాస్ మళ్ళీ తీసుకోను. మస్తు అయింది ఇప్పటికే 3 గంటల దగ్గర 2.5 గంటలు మాట్లాడుతున్నా. చాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Recording, stop recording, please.